everyone, it's AJ and it's Something to Do Saturday, and this is the week of famous tales for summer reading. So we are going to rock, literally. I'm going to try and give you 10 tips in 10 minutes or less of cool rockin' ways to spruce up your yard. Are you ready? Let's go.
Adding rocks around your downspout can make it more visually appealing, but it also helps to divert the water away from your house. And with all the rain we've had lately, that's both pretty and practical. And if you're looking for something a little drier, how about a dry creek or riverbed? You can make it in any shape, size, and yes, even color to fit your style. How about a water feature, a low maintenance one that is, with just a few rocks, flat ones, and some paint. You have a gorgeous fish pond. Just be careful what kind of fish you let in that pond. How about some inexpensive beachfront property? Right along your rocky shoreline, you can add a little sand and a little creativity, and boom, it's like your own private island. That really rocks. Games rock, so paint up some rocks for a simple game of tic-tac-toe. But the fancier they are, the more fun the game is.
You have one of these cool plastic pumpkins hanging around? You can find them at the Goodwill garage sale. They're actually even pretty inexpensive at Walmart. Take some vegetable shortening or some petroleum jelly, go ahead and grease the inside and fill it with some Quikrete. You can grab it at the Home Depot. It's pretty inexpensive. Just add water, stir it up, pour it inside, let it sit overnight.
Once it's dry, cut the plastic off.
And you end up with one of these that you can spray paint. And not only is it nice and heavy, but it doesn't rot, doesn't make a mess, your dogs won't eat it, and it lasts year after year. You can end up with a really cool face on it. And after Halloween, you can turn it around and still leave it on your doorstep as a nice fall decoration. Pretty inexpensive, and in the long run, very economical and neat and clean.
Maybe you need some animals to get your yard rocking. Leftover patio stones or pieces of slate can be cleverly arranged, or even small pebbles can turn into little creatures. Try planting some of these flowers. They're pretty rock solid no matter what the weather is here in Northeast Ohio. Rock out your herb or vegetable garden with these fun and fancy markers.
How about a rock garden that's also a memory garden? Pick up a rock from your favorite vacation spot and paint it up. You can put a date on the back of it, or just your favorite special occasion.
Before you know it, you'll have a whole garden full of fond memories.
So how'd we do? Did we get 10 tips in 10 minutes or less? I hope so. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please like, comment, and share so that your friends can become our friends. And remember, the library has all kinds of cool materials to help rock out your indoors and your outdoors. Until next time, I will see you real soon.